তোমাদেরকে আজকে করাচ্ছি ক্রস মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন মেথডটা শেখাবো। আচ্ছা, এখানে there is some rule. If two equations are a1x plus write down b1y and c1 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. And a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. This is equation. There is coefficient of x is a1 and coefficient of y is b1 and constant term is c1. In equation 2 there coefficient of x is, which is coefficient of x? a2. Coefficient of b, coefficient of y b2. Coefficient and the constant term is c2. We have to write x divided by something is equal to y divided by something is equal to c divided by something. See, this is not c, this is 1. First you can write there y 1 x and y. Coefficient of y is b1 and b2. I have to write b1 and b2. b1 and b2. Alright. And coefficient of 1 is c1 c2. We have to write c1 c2 under 1. Coefficient of x is a1 and a2. We have to write a1 and a2. And coefficient of y again b1 and b2. We have to write b1 and b2. Now we have to do b1 into c2. b1 and b1 into c2 and we have to write here b1 c2. After that we have to multiply b2 c1. b2 c1. b2 into c1 and there is minus sign. There is, we have to subtract. b2 into c1. b2 into c1. After that for y, here is this denominator. We have to multiply c1 into a2. c1 into a2 and subtracting minus c2 into a1. c2 into a1. After that we have to write under a1 into b2. a1 into b2 and subtracting minus a2 into b1. a2 into b1. Understand my part? We have to solve these two equations with the cross multiplication method. Let's see how can I solve this problem. There is x plus y is equal to 3 and other equation is x plus y is equal to minus 2. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. First, we can write from 1 we we get right now from 1 we get x plus y is equal to minus 3. 3 change to left side. That means there is plus sign. So when 3 comes to come to left side, it will be minus is equal to 0. This is equation 4. Next, from equation 2 we can do same thing. 2x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Again, we have to write this. First, we have to write y, then 1, then x, then again y. यहाँ पे y there is coefficient of y is what is the coefficient of y in equation 4? Coefficient of y
plus
1 plus 1, and coefficient of y in equation 5 1. 1 का coefficient एक constant term, this is constant term minus 3 and this constant term is
plus
2. Coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of x is 2. Again coefficient of y 1 and 1. First we have to multiply 1 into 2 and we have to write x whole divided by 1 into 2. First 1 into 2. 1 into 2. Write down 1 into 2. After that subtracting that 1 into minus 3. 1 into minus 3 is equal to, we have to write y divided by
minus 3
into 2. Minus 3 into 2. Then minus
2 into 1.
2 into 1. Bye-bye. You say, what will I do here? One into 1. 1 into 1
Bracket
minus
1 into 1. 2 into 1.
2 into 1. Can I rub?
Yes.
You can see that x, you can write that x by, there is 1 into 2. 1 into 2? 2. Minus 1 into minus 3 is
minus 2.
minus 3. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 is equal to y by minus 3 into 2.
Minus.
What is the product
6.
of minus 3 into 6? Minus 3 into 2?
6.
Minus 6. Minus 6 minus 2 into 1?
3.
2 into 1? 2 into 1? 2
Oh.
is equal to 1 by 1 into 1? 1 into 1? 1.
2 into 1.
Minus 2 into 1? 2.
2 into 1.
Can I rub? we can write x by 2. There is minus and minus. This will be plus is equal to y by minus 6 minus 2, and after that 1 minus 2. There is 1 minus 2. 1 is plus and 2 is minus. We have to do minus and sign will be greater number. What will be the sign? Minus.
Minus.
Because 2 is greater number, so sign will be minus.
Greater number का symbol.
2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1. Now we can write x by
5.
2 plus 3, 5 is equal to y divided by, there is 2 minuses.
Plus होगा.
Have to do plus and sign will be minus.
क्योंकि greater number 8.
1 minus 1, 1 divided by minus 1. Understand my point? Now x by 5 is equal to 1 by 1 minus, I can write minus in the numerator. X is equal to minus 5. When 1 is in denominator, we can omit it. Understand? Check the answer. Check the answer. X is equal to minus 5. Check the answer. Now we have to write, we have to find out y. We have to write y by minus 8 is equal to 1 by minus 1. That we can write minus 1 by 1. And y is equal to minus 8 into minus 1. We can omit 1 because 1 is in denominator. So y is equal to minus 8 into minus 1, that will be only 8.